This is Tony. Today we're touring a beautiful one-bedroom apartment. It's been remodeled on Bush Street between Taylor and Mason. A lot of the period details have been kept. Beautiful kitchen. Brand new range, fridge, nice cabinets, beautiful light. Dishwasher, nice and quiet, has some European charm with the brick building out there. You do not pay for heat. It's on a central steam heat system. Nice ceiling fan here and in the other room. Lots of closet space. We have this closet also. Yes, I know closet space is important. Here's the beautiful sunny room here. A nice view. Another nice sized closet. Let's take a peek at the bathroom. Here's the entrance to the unit and the bathroom with the claw tub. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call at 415-377-7571.